Hi, welcome to the Sound Test Room studio tour. This is a tour of our home recording studio in Spain. We're going to be producing a load of videos now for YouTube exclusively on how to record, best ways to record, all about how to use special effects, production techniques. We're going to be doing some instrument tuition, guitar, keyboards, bass, drums. Basically take everybody through all the basics of recording. Our studio consists of, probably the heart of the studio consists of the Boss BR116 CD recorder, which is an all-in-one hardware recording unit. I much prefer these than recording with DAWs such as Cubase, Logic, Cakewalk, stuff like that, Pro Tools. Purely because, I mean, I'm old, so I grew up recording with tape, and this is the closest thing that I can get to actually having physical hands-on. It's an amazing piece of kit. Having said that, we do use a lot of computer software. We monitor through the Behringer Truth monitors, which give a really sweet spot. All this equipment will be getting full reviews and tutorials as well. Our newest purchase is, I don't know if you can see this, the Tascam DP008 8-track portable recorder, runs on batteries, built-in mics. It's fantastic, phantom power. We will do a big review on that because it is an amazing piece of kit. Moving round, we have a Zoom G2.1U guitar pedal, which we very rarely use for guitar effects. We use this as an audio in and out from the computers. It's a brilliant piece of kit. Also use it on the mixers and effects rack. It's incredible. We have a laptop. The computer software we use Sony Acid Pro 7 for mastering the tracks in the end. FL Studio XXL Producer, which basically is a great big massive VST synth rack. All this stuff I'll be doing tutorials on where to get the best free VSTs, the best commercial VSTs. And first keyboard is the new Korg MicroStation, which is an amazing piece of kit. And then we have Roland GW8, which is, I think, one of the most underrated keyboards, because it really does have a beautiful sound. It has a lovely piano sound, lots and lots of realistic at the moment, the MicroStation is hooked up to play the VST. So this is Alchemy, my favourite, absolutely free VST from Camel Audio at the moment, Alchemy Player. It comes with a stack of great sounds. I like it. At the moment, if I want to play the MicroStation sounds, the easiest way for me to do that is turn the volume on the MicroStation up, turn the volume on the GW8 down, and because I have the MicroStation directly MIDI'd into the GW8, it means that I can play the MicroStation sounds just through the GW8. So this is a vocal sound from the Korg. The Korg has amazingly good quality sounds for an amazingly cheap synth. Some people don't like it because it has the small micro keys. But like I said, you can MIDI it up to a bigger keyboard. I'll be doing tutorials on how to connect everything up and all the rest of it. Okay, moving round. Oh, before I go any further, this is the kind of sound we've been working on. One of our songs. The vocal you'll hear is Joanne Hardacre, who is my partner and amazing singer. This is one of the tracks we're working on at the moment. All the sounds you're hearing now were done through the MicroStation, and the vocals were recorded with Joe.
Come, look up to the stars.
that's the type of thing, that's the type of music we like doing. To record our vocals, we use a very, very, very cheap condenser mic, but it has to be a condenser, it's really important. We use the Behringer C1, which is about $50 or £40 or around 30 or 40 euros. So as you can see, it's really, really good value. We have a small Alesis DM6 drum kit. The DM6 is really, really good value. It plays nice. Plays really nice, but only has 10 drum kits of its own and 5 user presets which you can use to select any of the sounds. The really, really, really cool thing about the DM6 is that you can hook it up to your computer. So if you have addictive drums or Reason or anything that has like drum programs in there, you can trigger all the drum kits from the computer with the DM6. It's really cool. Okay, moving a little bit further around, we have a Korg K-oscillator, one of our favourite pieces of equipment, which is really fun. There's great reviews on YouTube about the K-oscillator, so you need to go and check them out. For drum programming, we tend to use the RT228 rhythm track from Zoom. I don't know how well you can see this, but it has some... It has a great sound. I don't know why I'm not triggering anything, but there you go. Okay. And it's really, really, really easy to program. For teaching people and for what we used for live, we have a Behringer 1832 FX mixer, which is a real basic mixer. As one effects bank loaded into it that you can use, but we'll be doing a full review on how to signal chain your mixer properly, get the best sounds and everything else. And last, well nearly last, we have a Yamaha XT electroacoustic guitar, which we love. It sounds really nice. Has a nice clean sound. Of course, also we can run it with all the effects and get guitars. You normally find when singers or songwriters come in here, if they're a guitarist, they'll have their own guitar anyway. So, you know, it doesn't really make any difference. We used to have an electric guitar. We used to have a Telecaster, but we swapped it with a friend of ours for the Yamaha. On the floor here, we have an Electro Harmonics voice box. This is really great. It has a 256-band vocoder, which is great for me because I can't sing a note. So if I want to play keyboards and sing, I can use the vocoder in this. Also, a really cool thing about this is if Joe is singing through there, as soon as we kick the pedal, it will generate 3 or 4 part harmonies with their own voice. We'll be doing a review on that as well, but there are also some great things on YouTube. Just cue in Electro Harmonics voice box and you can see what that little bad boy will do. And last but not least, we have a PV grind bass guitar, which we don't use that often, but it's nice if a bass player comes in and wants to lay down some bass tracks. It's a really nice sound. It's very, very well made and didn't cost the earth. Okay, so basically that's the general tour of what we use, but I will be reviewing the VSTs, the software, how we lock everything together, how we MIDI everything up, really simply explain, because it's not rocket science. I'll be giving away all the tips and tricks the top producers use, or all the tricks to make your mix sound as professional and as great as possible. Okay, my name's Doug Woods. You have been filmed by Joanne Hardager. Say hi, Jo.
Hi.
And see you soon.